In this video, I will show you how to type in 3 column in Microsoft Word. So guys, if you have text and you want to make this data into 3 column, so very simple way, design a layout, just click on this layout tab and column, and here select your desired number of column, 1, 2 or 3. 1 is default, you can make it 2 column, and also you can make it 3 column like this. In more columns, you have the option to make 4 column, and again you want to make it 1 column, so column and select 1. You can apply this setting without data, so new and layout, and here select 3 column. So once you type your data, so this is the first column, so this is the first column, second column, and third column. So thanks for watching.